Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the impact of RBI's latest news, which it says like it's going to transfer surplus amount of to the tune of 99,122 crore to central government. Okay, so it's a fantastic news for the government because that really reduces their fiscal pressure basically that they have to maintain. It's a fantastic news for that. So you have to understand that the government had budgeted in their budget. Basically they were anticipating 45,000 crore. Okay, so it's kind of more than double what they are getting. Okay, and some of the uh, fund houses or some market analyst companies, they were expecting around 65,000 in this news. If you see here in their projections here, it's Barclays. Basically they projected 65,000 crore from the RBI, and the budget estimates from the central government was 45,000 crore. So obviously it's way high what the expectation was, which is like 99,122 crore. And why I'm saying that this is a kind of icing on the cake is because if we have been discussing for the past few weeks. If you just go and watch my earlier videos about weekly reviews about the index, what we found out is market is clearly saying that it doesn't want to come down. Okay, it's the weekly chart. If you see here in the Nifty, it tried to come down, got pushed up, tried to come down, got pushed up, tried to come down, got pushed up, tried to come down, and then immediately it got pushed up, and it's like the bulls are overwhelming the bears. It's very clear in this. So that's why I'm really telling that the market doesn't want to come down. Okay, even though many people think that it has to come down because of the reason that it made a very huge bull run here and it needs some sort of correction, and many of the investors who missed this big bull run are eagerly or desperately waiting for the price to come down so they can get into the market. Sometimes it's just how the market behaves. Okay, you just don't get a proper entry at all if you're waiting for a correction. You just have to find one whenever or to whatever extent the correction is been given. The market has given slight, I would say it's not a major one, but it gave some decent correction here. That's what happens when it is in a very strong bull run. That's what we have been identifying as well. Okay, so here the market is clearly showing its intent to go up. Okay, that too when India was reeling under this COVID pressure with higher cases and then oxygen scarcity and then uh, medicine problem and not people able to get hold of medicines to get the treatment. Even under those circumstances the market didn't want to go down. So now just imagine if it is getting this kind of good news. One was that the DRDO's 2DG drug, anti-COVID drug that we have discussed earlier in my video. I'll just provide you the link if you haven't watched that yet. That's also very good news. On top of that, now RBI's, which is like more than what the government estimated, more than double. So these are all very good news for the market. It just wants to absorb these things and go higher. Okay, so I think this is going to be a fantastic move, and the market will go up again. Okay, you have to stay bullish when the market is saying that it is bullish. Okay, you just cannot anticipate that, oh, the market has moved so much and it has to come down. It has to come down, and then you go on saying like if there is some delay you say it must come down now. No, it's not going to work that way. The market will tell you clearly if it wants to come down, and it is clearly saying that it wants to go up, and it definitely doesn't want to come down. And because of these moves, I'm repeating this, it tried to go up, come down, went up, come down, went up. So it really doesn't want to come down, as simple as that. And it same goes with the bank Nifty as well. Compared to Nifty, bank Nifty might seem bit weaker, but as I said, bank Nifty is it's very volatile. It can easily cover up whatever the distance it is lagging from Nifty. Okay, so don't worry about that. Overall the market is up, bank Nifty will also rise. And essentially, and if you look at this news, it came up on Friday. I think it was after market hours. You can see it's around 4:10 p.m. So obviously the market also was kind of factoring around 45-50,000 crore from the RBI. So it's much higher than what was expected. So obviously it's a good news, and I'm all bullish on this one. So basically you also stay bullish in the market. Don't look for selling at the moment, I mean, you have to be very stock specific if you are an intraday trader and wants to sell, or a short-term trader who wants to sell. You have to be very stock specific when you are doing that. You have to identify really good stocks to sell. Otherwise, you can get plenty of stocks that you can go look for basically buying opportunities, which I'm going to do another video about stocks, and I will tell you how I selected those stocks as well. Maybe tomorrow I will do that. And also I will be posting my regular weekly analysis of the index, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So do watch them as well. If you like this video, please share and subscribe if you haven't done yet. And also you can join my free Telegram channel when you get some real-time updates about the portfolio builder series that we are doing, and it's doing really well. I think the portfolio builder series has giving us the returns of around 11%, which I'm going to do a short video again shortly. So basically, yeah, join my free Telegram channel and you get some live updates, and also it's about the portfolio builder series. And also one more good news is that, guys, I'm going to start a new portfolio builder series 2. Those who have missed series 1, they can certainly, I mean, you have seen how the portfolio builder series works and how it performs and how it weathers the market conditions. Even when the market is going down, the portfolio performance was really good. So it's going to be fantastic for you. If you missed that series 1, you can follow or track my portfolio builder series 2, which I'm going to start shortly. So keep an eye on this, and also press on make sure you click on the notification bell so that you get notified of new videos as soon as I post them. So share, subscribe, and also click on notification bell. I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you.